Ako ka message to. So we will close for a successful for sales and prosperous 2025. More success for everyone. Next year we will be opening our Memorial Chapel. So, iyan ang pina-encourage namin ang Libriburon na yan. So, disseminate our Libriburon because we will be, ako lang ang first class niya ng Memorial Chapel na i-open ka next year. So, you should be proud for being a forest savers, no? Hindi lang sellers, but also kapaloko, you are not owners man sa forest. So, I hope na maging successful bilang akot niya opening of our Memorial Chapels by next year. So, again,